Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. In the evolving landscape of renewable energy, the Picea solar hydrogen system stands out as a beacon of innovation. This groundbreaking technology, merging the power of green hydrogen with solar energy, is reshaping the paradigm of domestic energy use. Picea not only symbolizes the shift towards more sustainable energy sources but also illustrates the practical application of advanced renewable technologies in everyday life. The concept of green hydrogen and solar power. Green hydrogen represents the zenith of clean energy carriers. Produced through the electrolysis of water, powered by renewable energy sources like solar power, it emits no carbon dioxide or pollutants. This hydrogen, when used as a fuel, only releases water vapor, marking it as an environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Solar panels, on the other hand, have been at the forefront of renewable energy solutions for decades. They capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, offering a limitless and clean energy source. The integration of solar power with green hydrogen technology is a symbiotic one. Solar panels provide the energy needed for the electrolysis process that produces green hydrogen, effectively storing solar energy in chemical form for use when the sun isn't shining. Technical overview of the Picea system. The Picea system is an intricate assembly of renewable energy technologies. It begins with solar panels, which convert sunlight into electrical energy. This energy powers not just the household but also an electrolyzer, a device that splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. The produced hydrogen is then stored under pressure in tanks, waiting to be used. The Picea system uniquely integrates solar, batteries, and hydrogen to optimize energy usage. Excess energy is initially stored in batteries, with any surplus converted into green hydrogen. This approach leverages hydrogen's long-term storage capabilities, complementing the short-term efficiency of batteries. While hydrogen conversion entails energy loss, it compensates by providing substantial storage for periods of low solar output, like winter. This synergy ensures a stable, year-round energy supply, addressing both immediate and prolonged energy needs. When solar energy is insufficient, particularly during nights or cloudy days, the stored hydrogen is channeled into a fuel cell. This cell converts hydrogen back into electricity, powering the household in a clean and efficient manner. Remarkably, the Picea system also captures and uses the waste heat generated during this process, boosting the system's overall energy efficiency. Environmental impact and sustainability. Picea's operation is carbon dioxide free, positioning it as a critical solution in the fight against climate change. By eliminating reliance on fossil fuels and reducing greenhouse gas emissions, the Picea system contributes significantly to minimizing the environmental impact of home energy use. Its adoption marks a step towards a sustainable future where homes are not just energy efficient but also guardians of the environment. Economic analysis and market viability. One of the significant considerations for potential users of the Picea system is its economic aspect. While the initial investment might be higher compared to traditional energy systems, the long-term benefits are substantial. Picea's reliance on renewable sources like solar energy translates to lower operational costs over time. However, exact cost estimates are challenging to determine without a direct consultation with home power solutions, as they vary based on location, installation specifics, and other individual factors. In comparison with conventional energy systems, Picea offers a more sustainable economic model. Traditional systems, while cheaper upfront, incur ongoing costs related to fuel, maintenance, and the volatility of energy prices. Picea, by utilizing renewable sources, provides a more stable and predictable cost structure in the long run. Global trends and the future of renewable energy. The global energy landscape is rapidly shifting towards renewable sources, with solar energy and green hydrogen playing pivotal roles. This transition is driven by the urgent need to address climate change and the growing awareness of the environmental impacts of fossil fuels. Picea aligns perfectly with this global trend, offering a practical, efficient, and sustainable energy solution for homes. Imagine a typical household equipped with the Picea system. During sunny days, the solar panels generate more electricity than the home can use. The excess energy is used to produce green hydrogen, which is stored for later use. On cloudy days or during the night, this hydrogen powers the home, ensuring a continuous and reliable energy supply. This real-world application demonstrates Picea's ability to provide energy independence and resilience. Despite its numerous advantages, the Picea system faces challenges, primarily in terms of initial costs and the need for specialized installation and maintenance. These factors may limit its accessibility to a broader user base. Additionally, the efficiency of energy conversion and storage in hydrogen form is an area where ongoing research and development are crucial. Conclusion: the Picea system represents a significant advancement in home energy solutions, blending the efficiency of green hydrogen with the sustainability of solar power. While it offers a promising future for renewable energy use in homes, its full potential can be realized only through personalized consultation and analysis. Home Power Solutions provides this essential service, tailoring the system to individual needs and contexts. The shift towards renewable energy is not just a technological change but a societal movement towards a more sustainable and responsible energy future. By considering and adopting innovative solutions like Picea, individuals play a crucial role in this transformative journey, contributing to a healthier planet and a more sustainable way of living. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.